when I say I'm not even dragging it, bruh. Hello beautiful, it's your girl Kiamani and I'm back at it again with another video, and today we will be doing a video on a unit from Superbwigs. Hey Superbwig girl, how you doing? Now I've worked with this company many times before just because the price of their units and the quality is unmatched. You won't find that anywhere else. So it comes in this like sliding box, and inside the box you get elastic and then a wig cap. So you get the y'all know how I feel about the bra strap units. So it has like it's basically an adjustable elastic band that goes in the inside of your wig. Great. So this actual unit, oh, and it comes with 2 sets. Look, hold on, let me show you. So on the inside of the wig it already came with the adjustable joints, and then there's also 2 extras, so that's great because I lose everything. This unit does have 6-inch parting space, Swiss lace, and undetectable knots, baby girl. So what Swiss lace is actually a very stretchy and comfortable lace that that blends in with any skin tone. I've reviewed units that have Swiss lace on them before, but like there's different kind of, I feel like it varies from company to company on like how good of a quality their Swiss lace is. So that's what Superbwigs Swiss lace is. It's a stretchy, comfortable, nice, transparent kind of thing for a great price. And when applied, it doesn't take long for it to actually melt into your skin. It basically does it instantaneously. Like it literally doesn't take long at all. And then this is also an invisible knot hairline. So again, I've explained this before in a video, but what an invisible knot hairline is in the front, instead of there being 3 or 4 strands in one hole in the lace, there's actually 1 or 2. So this makes it more undetectable, makes it more natural, and you actually don't even have to pluck the hairline because of this reason. So since there are 1 or 2 strands, again, it looks more natural, it lays flatter, all that jazz. Okay, so since there is 6-inch parting space and already bleached knots, I know the parts I'm gonna do a middle part is going to be super duper natural, and I'm gonna just put this up to my hand just so you can see. You can't tell me that don't look good. You can't tell me that don't look good. And I'm actually probably gonna keep her straight also because I'm gonna have to go over it with the flat iron, but I do want to keep this straight. Before I do that, I did want to show you the inside of the wig because there's a ton of lace in here. So look at that, and all those bleached knots. That's that 6-inch parting space for you, baby. And it's not just in the middle, it's the whole hairline, period. And then we got more lace in the back. So she is a 360-degree lace wig with the combs, adjustable strap, and adjustable elastic band. Love that. Again, let's talk about quality. Thank you, Superbwigs. Thanks, girl. Just so you get the point of undetectability, what I mean by smaller knots and Swiss lace, this is what she's looking like straight out the box with everything. But everything the same, but the lace is just cut. So this is how your wig comes, ladies. Now let me show you. Let me show you the best part, because that ain't even the best part. It's one of the best parts. It's just half of the best part. Let me show you. Be aware she's not glued down yet, but like, we'll get there. Your wig comes like this, ladies and gentlemen. 6-inch parting space, pre-bleached knots. Y'all know I love when I get me a unit that get pre-bleached knots, sweetheart. I love when companies take the time out to do that, just because like everyone is not gonna be able to bleach their own knots, because I'm not gonna lie, it took me a little minute for me to actually master that. So there are people out here that just can't do it. They don't get the point. They don't want to ruin their hair. So when you have the option, or you have companies that do give you bleach knots, I definitely would take full advantage of it. So that's straight down the middle, and then look, it's 6-inch parting space down the whole entire front. Not just down the middle, but the whole entire front. And don't forget that there is lace in the back. So, oops. So yeah. So we are going to do a cute little middle part, and I do want to flatten her. I want to do a bone straight look. So, I got a nail appointment. I'm finna be styling and profiling. Like I said before, it don't even take this lace that long to melt into your scalp because of the way the lace and the knots are. So I'm just about to do a quick little install on her. Literally, it's like immediately. Wow. Wow. This is her melting in the skin. This is a wig, y'all. This is a wig, sis. This is a wig for you, baby girl. Wow. When I say I'm not even dragging it, bruh. I'm not even dragging it, my good sis. I'm not. Do you see that? Sis, this is a wig. This is a wig, sis. So, we got it installed and whatnot. And I really just want to do a nice clean middle part in her. The next thing I just want to do is flatten out that part just to define her a little bit more. I need to warm a wand or something up. So I've gotten her straightened and installed, and the hair is nice and healthy looking. And I just pinned her back with this little alligator. I like to call these alligator clips, just so you can see the hairline one more time. And just how different it is from like other wigs. So this is how she looks. That's how she looks, sis. And yeah. So if you did want to pick up this wig, everything on this unit will be down in the description box down below. And if you do pick this wig up, just let them know that Kiamani sent you. I love you so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Mwah.